Hey foodie, welcome to Cooking in Kyrie's Kitchens, hashtag InstaFood. Today we're making impossible tostadas. Well, they are very possible. You can make these with just a few simple ingredients. All you need is cumin, coriander, granulated garlic, onion powder, a few cloves of fresh garlic, a medium chopped onion, chicken stock, cornstarch, impossible meat, which I'll get into what that is in a few minutes, and a cast iron skillet. Oh, and obviously you'll need the star, the tostada. Now, you've probably seen the Impossible Burger at Burger King or at your supermarket. What is it exactly? Well, Impossible Burger is made from proteins, flavors, fats, and binders like almost every burger you've ever eaten in your life. But the only difference is that their ingredients derive from plants. So you're getting your protein from soy and potatoes, your fat from coconut and sunflower oil, which makes it sizzle in our cast iron skillet, and binders and food starch, which hold it together so you can make it pretty much anything you want. But it's also really good for the environment. When you're eating Impossible Burger meat, you're saving the environment by cutting back on land use, water, and emissions. So in our cast iron skillet, I have put my onions and I'm grating over some garlic. I'm gonna salt these just to kind of push them through a bit. Okay, and now I'm putting in my impossible incredible meat. And I'm gonna let that brown. It took about 10 minutes or so for it to brown. And once I get that brown caramelization that I like, I'm gonna add in my seasonings and I'm gonna pour in my cornstarch. This is going to make the meat mixture a bit saucy, like we like in our taco meat. So I'm pouring over my chicken stock, which is deglazing the pan and also helping to make that sauce. It's almost kind of an instant thing. So our meat is done. I need to take the chill off of my tostadas. So I'm spraying them with cooking spray and popping them into my oven on a very low temperature for about maybe 2 minutes, and now we're gonna assemble them. This is when you can get creative. You can put whatever toppings you like. I'm using lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream. I'm using a Mexican cheese. I put a little dollop of guacamole on top, and there you have it. This is very simple, guys. This is so easy and so incredibly delicious. Please, if you like this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe, hit that bell. If you'd like to listen to the podcast for this show, it is available on Apple Podcast, and there's a little recipe card for you to screenshot if you'd like. I thank you so much for listening. Please be safe, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.